Hello, people. Hello. Hello.
Hi.
What should we talk about to these people? So yes. Do you want to burp? Feel free to burp, you know. My sister loves burping. I'm making noises for some unknown reason. You can go on YouTube and she just burps constantly. The burp you just had was my sister. Nice. That's so funny, not?
I was eating.
Don't care. You're always eating. I'm eating now. Burp. So anyway, Amy, what should we talk about? I'm doing this. Burp. Oh, she's managed to divulge.
In other words, eat
all of my minstrels. The
minstrels, not minstrels.
Minstrels.
And
Eat
eat
the whole
half
lot.
of them.
And half of my revels.
I haven't even started that yet.
Give it 10 minutes and it'll be gone. But, do you know what else? I've had that as well.
I've had about 10 of them.
And there's like
And enough
a quarter bottle of Tango left.
I'm hungry.
Anything else you want to eat? Apart from me. I'll tell you what, my bedroom is just so messy. It's like random. Gone back to the revels.